Want to add a personal touch to your emails? Let's learn how to add a profile picture to your email in just a few simple steps. Adding a profile picture to your email not only makes it more personal, but it also helps you stand out in your recipient's inbox. First, open your Google account by clicking on your profile icon just here and selecting Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Personal Info tab in your Google account. This is where you can update all your personal details, including your profile picture. Now, click on the camera icon next to your current profile picture if you have one, and if you don't have one, you can just go ahead and add one by clicking on the button. Here you'll have multiple options to choose from, either illustrations readily available for you or from your computer. What we're going to do here is upload one from my computer. Click on the picture. Ta-da! So make sure it's clear and professional and represents you well. Adjust the photo as needed, making sure it fits within the frame. When you're happy with it, just click on Next and go ahead and save as profile picture. And that's it. Your profile picture will now appear next to your name and emails you send. It might take a couple of minutes, so feel free to refresh the page. It's a small change that makes a big impact. For more emails, tips and tricks, visit mailmeter.com. Happy emailing!